You don't really like this. It got a good kick to it.
On the high end, about 40,000.
40,000?
About 400,000.
400,000?
Yeah.
Dang, just to get this? What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Nyyear, and I'm back with another freaking banger video today, man. I see today, y'all, we are going to the gun range today, y'all. We are not going to the outside gun, we're going to the indoors gun range today, y'all. But look, though, y'all, we have the 9 right here, you know what I'm saying? We got the red tips, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie, these is actually nice right here because after you finish the clip off and you shoot the last one, they clean the whole clip out, you know what I'm saying? That's actually lit. But y'all know y'all got the Glock 19 right here, you know what I'm saying? I gotta keep the Glock 19, you know what I'm saying? This is actually my favorite right here. This is my favorite right here, though, the Glock 19. You feel me, with the hollows. Then we have the Draco. I'm gonna add a cooler kit on here, though, you know what I'm saying? This is the big body Draco right here. It's the, you know what I'm saying? The guitar Draco right here. This is my boy, too, though. I'm not gonna lie. But, yeah, man. I'm not gonna lie though, the HK is actually lit. This right here, this lit. This some Call of Duty stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? You just got the little, you know what I'm saying? You got the lid on there. This right here, this that thing though, y'all. But look though, you know what I'm saying? The 50 clip, you know what I'm saying? The 50 round clip just came in today, y'all. We got the 50 round clip in here. So we finna go to the gun range today, like actually right now, you know what I'm saying? Shoot this off. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gun range and get the most expensive, the most craziest gun they have in there today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm just having fun, you know what I'm saying? Have fun. And I'm gonna show you guys and bring you guys with me, y'all. But look though, before I start the video, like this video right now, subscribe, comment, turn on that bell. But you guys, I'm still looking for a name to call you guys, so comment below, you know what I'm saying? Cause I do need a lit name, you know what I'm saying, to call you guys. I ain't gonna call y'all Nyyear. So I need something lit, so comment that below. What should I call y'all? With this right here, put this in the sock, you feel me? That's the sock, you know what I'm saying? We go inside clubs with these, you know what I'm saying? They ain't gonna check right here, they ain't gonna see this. I'm gonna show y'all, look, we put this in our had the boots on, you know what I'm saying, the Timbs on, they can't see that. You feel me? We went inside the club with this though, no cap. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up. And then we go ahead and step out. So go ahead. All right, we out, let's go. How you doing, man? What's up, man? Hey, what's our craziest gun in here? Yeah, the littest, the craziest, the best one in here.
Probably gonna be that one right there.
Which one?
The AR.
The AR? Oh, okay, what about, let me see the AR real quick. I ain't gonna lie, that one right there, I don't know what it is, but that mug look, oh, this is crazy. Whew. This mug is crazy. What bullet does this take right here?
5.56. Yeah, one more place to check.
This mug is crazy.
Oh, it's got a binary trigger, full stock, 18-inch rail that goes all the way up.
Yeah. What's the automatic? I think I saw someone showing the automatic.
Oh, those are the rentals on that side.
Oh, the rentals.
So this is for, all of these are for sale. So
oh yeah, I need to rent. Oh, it's not for rent. Oh, see, I'll look for rent.
rentals are gonna be on that side by the rental cap.
Oh, so I go down there too?
Exactly right.
All right, that's man. So yeah, I can't even shoot that one, y'all. That's for sale. I'm trying to find a for rent one today, y'all. So let's go down here. Look at that guy mask, man. Yeah, that mask lit. yeah. That's lit. I seen one of those on TikTok, y'all.
17 is what I would recommend.
I should get one of those. Like, you got a serious space. Yeah, you seen it on TikTok too?
I saw that, and then I took a picture of myself and have one made.
Yeah, it's lit. It's like you got a serious face. Like people, if you go inside the store, they might think you got no mask on.
So I have another one that has the same thing, but it's got a blue mask and it makes it look like it's pulled down.
Oh yeah,
just like that one on TikTok.
Yeah, that's lit. I'm gonna get that HK up there, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, that's the automatic. That one. I think somebody showing up the other day. I'm gonna try that out, see how that is.
What's that one is?
Oh, Glock 17. See, I got a Glock 19. Let me that 17 right here.
Which one do you want?
Oh yeah, these 17 nice too. I got the Glock 19. I was the same. I think like a little bigger. 19 bigger, right?
It's smaller. It's
oh,
so
okay.
Glock 19 is 15 rounds, 17 is 17 rounds.
Okay. Oh, okay.
The orange one or the one next to it?
Yeah, that.
Why you ain't shooting one of those 12 gauges?
15 rounds.
On Call of Duty, yeah.
Yeah, not right now, huh? No. That's what. That's not.
What you want to go with?
Hey, it's gonna be
Are
big.
you
I
guys want to
can't
shoot on the
wait.
same lane or you're on the
We could do the same.
Y'all see, I know y'all seen some of the guns, y'all, man. So y'all comment below what gun y'all want to see me shoot next in here. I might shoot one of these. I might shoot one of these shotguns though. Oh, okay. Then I like the little. Yeah. Okay then.
I live in water, man.
Oh yeah.
All my people from New Orleans.
Orders. Y'all from music?
From New Orleans. He from New Orleans.
I'm from the
I'm gonna take
Oh yeah, I know some boys.
He like legit.
Hey, y'all tell
Oh
us.
yeah. Official, you know what I'm saying?
For sure.
Hey, you live here though?
Huh?
Hey, you live here?
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, I swear to God, I see you. I was like, man, this thing looks so forbidden.
Yeah.
Cause I know it's you and then another.
Oh yeah, just give me I'm all in for it. I fuck with it, so that's all. I like the material. It ain't no cheap. They don't really cheap.
Right, yeah. Nah,
That's just something. Yeah, that's why I say I can tell that man ain't cheap at all.
That shit, man, you kind of late for fuck.
Yeah. It's a pressure though. But yeah, they think me up want to send like a package. I'm all in for it. My PO box number too. My PO box number. Sound like
Appreciate tomorrow.
Alright, yep. I appreciate it. Nyyear. Yeah, Nyyear. Alright, man. I want that HK.
Which phone number? Which HK? The
That
top
one
one?
top. The top one. That's automatic too, bro. So somebody there.
Alright, so due to the ammo shortage, we are limited to one box of 5.56 per person, so the max amount I can sell y'all is 40 rounds.
40 rounds. And that's the most. Oh, that's cool.
You ever written any handguns today?
Oh, no.
Just the G36?
Yeah. Actually, I want to shoot one of those Rugers too.
Which Ruger?
Which one I got that I can shoot?
So the only Ruger that we have ammo for is going to be the 22. Like the 5.7 down there, we don't have ammo.
Oh, y'all got ammo for those?
Right now, the only handgun ammo we got.
You already got 22s, don't you? You got 22s. Do it the same as the HK? I can show you. Can I show you the 22?
Yeah, just open it up. Okay.
I mean, it don't really matter. 14 and 15. All right, that's cool.
14 and 13.
Yeah, that's cool.
This one? Yeah. I'm just going to reach in and clear. This isn't the one that's for sale on Texas Gun Trader, is it? Oh, okay. Because this is the 416, right?
Yeah.
We saw one online. I was just looking at it.
The bullets right here though.
Oh yeah, that was fine. Then.
He's fine?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Let me get that too. Oh, I just want to shoot that.
Oh, you're asking, can you shoot that ammo through the 22? No. So if you run our gun, you have to use our ammo.
Oh, okay.
My bad. I misunderstood.
Oh, wait, okay. That's good. Yeah. Let me see that one. Let me see that 22.
If you do rent the 22, the ammo is $9.99. Which one? The revolver or?
Yeah, revolver. Yeah, shoot this too. This for the fun of it. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Got some fun today. Some fun today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I just want to try all these guns. Y'all comment below what guns. Like I said, y'all comment below what guns y'all want to see me shoot. But today, it's finna be lit for sure. Alright, y'all, man. So the first contestant gonna be the 22. You know what I'm saying? The Ruger, y'all. I gotta shoot this first. You know what I'm saying? I gotta see how this is. But damn, you can see the last person that was here towed this mug up. But I ain't gonna lie, they towed that up, y'all. Go ahead and switch this out real quick. Switch this off. This is trash. I like getting this one right here, you know what I'm saying? This target because it's loud over there. I'm not gonna let it bust. But you can see the target of like where you hitting at. You know what I'm saying? The lungs, the brains, the eye, anything. You know what I'm saying? You can see where you hitting at. So I actually like this one right here. Go ahead and a second red line, then that'd be cool for right now. You know what I'm saying? We just starting up, so that'd be cool. And it's a little cricket, so it's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and load this up, and we'll get right into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna bring the Draco out, you know what I'm saying? Big body. Go ahead and mess with this. You can see the Drake. This right here is so lit, man. This, bro, y'all. Draco is so lit. Like, it just make you want to just keep busting it, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. So I can't wait to see how the HK is, cause I think the HK is gonna be a little louder and a little bit more kick. I can't wait to see how that is, and it's automatic. I can't wait to see you guys how it is. Y'all already know how the Draco is. Y'all see me shoot Draco, but y'all ain't never see me shoot the Ruger. So I'm trying to get something new for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Today, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back in there, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna show you guys the HK. It's two HKs, you know what I'm saying? So, you see how the first HK. Let's get to the 22, y'all. This is actually lit. What is that?
AUG.
Yeah.
Oh God. Got two more. I think they went to go check.
I had this over in here that y'all, they was really busting on her with this.
Yeah, this thing's loud.
Yeah. What is that?
The AUG.
The AUG? That boy sounded crazy.
You got two bullets, push it all the way over.
We gonna see how it shoots.
Pull the trigger hard. No, put that switch all the way this way. There you go. Lean forward. Pull it hard. There it is.
That's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. Alright, y'all, man, what else we got in here? I think, oh yeah, got the Taurus in here, y'all, man, you know what I'm saying? Got the Taurus. We're gonna shoot this, and then we're gonna bring the HK out, y'all. This right here, I'm not gonna lie, I love this gun too right here, y'all. Don't matter the target, y'all. I'm just playing around right now. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna shoot that target. And I'm gonna show you how serious I get and how easy for me to target. Right now, I'm just busting. You know what I'm saying? I'm just having fun right now because I just got in here. But once I bring that target out, I'm hitting all targets. Like nothing gonna be in the white. I promise y'all, nothing gonna be in the white. I promise y'all. Let's go ahead and bring the HK out, though. I'm gonna tell them I'm ready. Yeah, bring that out now.
Go on, head out there. I'll meet you there.
All right. I actually can't wait to see how that one is.
Yeah, the AK is steel, so it's no good.
Oh, no good? All right, that's good then. So yeah, I just found out you can't even shoot steel out there, you know what I'm saying? That's the reason why I go outdoor gun range, you know what I'm saying? Because I can shoot wherever I want to shoot, you feel me? But it's all right, you know what I'm saying? We about to bring the 8K out. It's safety reasons, you know what I'm saying? So it's alright, you know what I'm saying? I was busting this, Jacob. I was busting this.
I'll let you load it, man.
Alright.
Go ahead and pick it up.
This right here. This right here looking nice, I ain't gonna lie, y'all.
That's not a scope or anything on top of there. It is.
There's two.
Freaky looking shit.
Top one is a red dot, bottom one is a magnified optic. I'd use the top one. The red dot on? Lean forward. Go ahead and fire 2 shots. All right, bump it all the way down. So the first time, go 1, 2, let go. All right, hold it down, lean forward.
This one right here is lit. This is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That's right there. This is crazy, bro. You gonna like this, bro. You gonna really like this. It got a good kick to it. Yo, this is lit. I ain't gonna lie, this is lit right here. This lit right here, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is actually my favorite gun so far now. So we can't buy these types of guns because it's automatic.
So,
Or you gotta have some type of paperwork.
there's a lot of paperwork involved, but it's possible. But it's just a lot of paperwork and a lot of money. You can buy the civilian version.
Yeah. Y'all, there's a comment on what y'all thought about this gun. Y'all, I actually think it's the favorite gun that I shot today so far. I want one of these now, y'all. So we finna try to get it. I'm gonna get it, but we gonna try to get it. Like you said it's a lot of work though.
A lot of money.
A lot of money.
But it's possible. It is possible. Anything's possible with money.
How much you think? How much money you think?
Man, I don't want to throw out a number and be wrong, but it's probably gonna be
on the high end.
Huh? On the high end, about 400,000.
40,000?
About 400,000.
400,000?
Yeah.
Dang, just to get this? Wow, that's
Because
crazy.
the only full autos you're allowed to buy are pre-1986,
Oh.
and those are all made after 1986. So I believe you would have to justify reasoning for having one, needing to create a machine gun and all this. So there's a lot of legalities that you got to jump through.
That's crazy.
But it is possible. You just got to go through all the right hoops.
So look, I heard that, so I need y'all to start watching my videos so I can get this. Y'all gotta bring the paper in, so I need y'all to watch the full video, my full ass and everything before I can get one of these guns. I can't get it. I can't afford it right now, so I need y'all to do that. You know what I'm saying? Share my videos. Alright, y'all, man, so much switch this out. I told y'all the next target I shoot, I'm not gonna hit no white point. I'm hitting the target on the dot. I'm telling y'all. Watch this. See, look at this. This was this area, you know what I'm saying, because we was testing out, you know what I'm saying, the HK on automatic. Of course, it's gonna be everywhere because it's not, you know what I'm saying, it's not gonna be accurate. It's on automatic. But I'm about to hit every spot on this one. If I hit one spot off, I'm gone. I'm gone. I hit the white already. Yeah. Wait.
Hey, these are gonna be all headshots. No.
I only hit one off. I did it on purpose though, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to play with y'all. Well, headshot. Headshot. That hurt. This hurt right here. That hurt. His ear gone. He got no more ear. He can't hear no more. He gone. You know what I'm saying? His brain is all over the place. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to shoot this. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out with this Ruger though, real quick. I mean revolver. This right here, I think it's a little harder though. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's a little harder. Let's try it out. Let's see.
So when you let it go, it didn't go?
I was off too. I had to hit him down there. You know what I'm saying? I had to, cause this, I'm always aiming for the head. You know what I'm saying? It went over there. But this, I'm hitting all that easy. But yeah, y'all, man. Then that'd be it for this video. Y'all, I'm about to wrap up right now. Matter of fact, I'm about to load up, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna load up, and I'm gonna end it off with a bang. Alright, that's good.
They also tell you that when you drop mine on the floor, they don't like it. I'm taking up everything. Keep closing on you.
Alright, y'all, man. We out here, y'all, man. Let's see, I'm gonna get started. I'm about to pack this up. You know, I told y'all I'm gonna go out with a bang before I leave here. But look, though, y'all, I'm out here. Stay tuned. See, I'm gonna get inside the car. Alright, y'all, man. So that's it for this video, y'all, man. If y'all like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment Team Nyyear in the comment section below, you know what I'm saying, y'all. But look, guys, like I said, I can't show y'all enough, yo. I need you guys to come up with a name for me to call you guys, you know what I'm saying? My boy told me Nyyear. I don't know what I think about that. I think it's lit, though. What y'all think about that, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all got any more names, you know what I'm saying, comment that below, y'all. But I'm about to wash my hands, you know what I'm saying, get some food right now, because your boy is really hungry, y'all. Ain't not all day. So I put out some content for you guys, you know what I'm saying? That come first, you feel me, y'all? So I need you guys to start liking these videos and sharing it, you know what I'm saying? We're on the road to 1 million, all right? Let's get there, come on, man. Let's really get there, y'all. But look, though, that'll be for this video. I'll see you guys next video. I'm out.